Hello everyone. Now we'll start our new session, Arduino analog in operation and serial out operation. So for that we are taking one application, temperature measurement. So for temperature measurement we will study an ADC of Arduino. In that we will study analog input functions. We will understand serial communication in Arduino and to understand serial out function. So these four objects are there in this today's video. So we are using temperature sensor LM35. LM35, it is analog linear temperature sensor. It measures temperature up to minus 55 to 150 degrees Celsius and its output is 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. LM35 output is 10 millivolt per degree Celsius and LM35 can be operated on 5 volt power supply. The pinout diagram is as shown in the figure. So pin number 1 is VCC 5 volt, pin number 2 is output and pin number 3 is ground. It gives 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. Its output is directly in voltage, therefore we are using LM35. We can connect this output to ADC. Arduino has 6 analog inputs, A0 to A5. Now temperature measurement interfacing diagram. So we have this circuit diagram. LM35 and temperature sensor. LM35 and temperature sensor. Now, so this is our diagram, LM35 and temperature sensor. So this is my Arduino and this is my LM35 with 3 wires. Now, temperature measurement. In that, first part is ADC resolution. It is very important, ADC resolution. It is used for calibration. So ADC resolution. Then second part is ADC instructions. Third part is serial communication speed. And fourth part is serial communication instructions. So these 4 points you should know, then and then only you can write program. So ADC resolution. ADC resolution is given by the equation V reference divided by 2 raised to n, whereas V reference is 5 volt and n is 10. So resolution is given by V reference divided by 2 raised to n, where V reference is 5 volt and n is 10. So if you put the values, 5 volt divided by 2 raised to 10 is equal to 5 divided by 1024. So it is nearly equal to 4.90 millivolt. So assume 5 millivolt. So resolution of ADC is 5 millivolt. What is the meaning of resolution? Resolution means minimum input that can be detected. So if my input is 5 millivolt, my output of Arduino is 1. If my input is 10 millivolt, my output of Arduino is 2. If my input is 15 millivolt, my output of Arduino is 3. So after every 5 millivolt step, your output will increase. So for 20 millivolt, my output will be 4. So this is the resolution. So to get one output, you have to give 5 millivolt input. But if you observe, LM35 gives 10 millivolt output. So if 10 millivolt is given, my output will be 2. So it is wrong. Therefore, we have to divide this 10 millivolt by 2, so that for 10 millivolt, you are getting 1 output. So in programming, we will see this. Next, ADC instructions. So in ADC instructions, there is ready-made ADC instruction, analog read, analog pin. Now, see why Arduino is famous. So we will see why Arduino is famous. In ADC, the flow of sequence, flowchart is like this. You have to select input channel. So in ADC, your flowchart is like this. I will explain. So first part, select input. So you have to select input, then send SOC, means start of conversion pulse. After that, you have to check EOC. EOC means end of conversion. After that, make output enable OE1. After that, read ADC output. Output of ADC is in hex. So next step, convert hex to BCD. Next step, BCD, it is only for conversion, but for display you require BCD to ASCII. But if you perform this in normal microcontroller, you require minimum 4 pages program. But same function is done in single instruction, analog read, analog pin. So no need to understand internal structure of ADC. Just use analog read pin. So it has A0 to A5 or 0 to 5 pin. So you can write directly analog read 0 or analog read 1. So that will be automatically converted into ASCII and you can display directly. So these are the two instructions, 2 points important for ADC. Now I want to observe the output, and for that I am using serial monitor. So to observe the output on serial monitor, we require baud rate or serial communication speed. So serial communication speed is nothing but baud rate. So baud rate is beats per second. Baud rate means beats per second. So without baud rate you cannot transmit the data. So baud rate, beats per second. The transmitter speed and receiver speed should be same. Then and then only you can transmit the data serially. In our computer we are monitoring this data on baud rate 9600. So you have to initialize the baud rate. In microcontroller you cannot make baud rate without knowing timer counter. But in Arduino it is very simple. In Arduino you have to just write down the instruction serial begin into bracket baud rate. So serial begin into bracket baud rate, it will give you direct baud rate speed. So if you want 9600 baud rate, you can write serial begin 9600. In IoT the speed baud rate is 1,15,200. So you can write the instruction serial begin 1,15,200. So with this instruction you can generate any baud rate. Then your next instruction is serial print. So serial print is used to print the data, or you can monitor the data on serial port. So for that you can use serial print command. So serial print is there. Okay, so these basic are required for programming the Arduino. Now next we'll see the actual demonstration, hands-on for temperature measurement. Okay, so for that we require Arduino software, your LM35 temperature sensor, and your Arduino board. So this is my circuit, this is my LM35, this is Arduino. I had connected this. Now I want to open Arduino software. So this is my Arduino software. In this software, this is my blank program. So I will write the code for this software and then we'll see the output. I am not writing complete code, so I will write step by step. So your first step is initialization. So I will write the instruction int temperature sensor equal to. So I will connect this temperature sensor to analog pin 0. So I can write 0 only. Then I want to store this value. So I will take one variable int temperature value. So this is the variable which is used to store the temperature value. Now here you have to initialize the pins, but temperature sensor is compulsory analog pin, it is not for digital. So you can there is no need to initialize temperature sensor pin, but we have to generate baud rate. So to generate baud rate, my command is serial dot begin into bracket 9600. Serial dot begin into bracket 9600. semicolon. Semicolon is important. So my baud rate is generated. Then I want to do ADC, analog to digital conversion. In Arduino it is very simple. So my instruction is like this: temperature value equal to analog read temperature sensor, semicolon. So using single instruction your temperature is measured, but where to observe it? So to observe the temperature value we are using serial monitor. Serial monitor is here. Serial monitor is here. So to observe it on serial monitor you have to give command serial dot print into bracket temperature value. So my programming is done. So I will observe the output. So I will upload, I have to save the file. So file, save. So I will save this as Sitronics temperature measurement. Sitronics temperature. And then save. So after saving we have to upload this. So click on upload. So after done saving, first thing you have to select ports. So board is Arduino Uno and port is COM3. This is we have to done one time only, and after that you have to click on upload. So my programming is uploading. This is my hardware. So right now programming is compiling. So this is compiling progress. This is the temperature sensor. We have to provide heat to temperature sensor. So this is the code. Compiling is in progress. So after compiling program, now there is error. Temp sensor was not declared. So temp sensor. So in temp sensor, see, right now in morning session or in previous videos there is no error, but here there is one error. Temperature sensor, temp sensor. In this S is capital and in this S is small. So either you have to convert this capital or you have to convert this small. So I will convert this into small. So this is the error. So again I have to click on upload. And to observe the temperature you have to use this monitor. Again there is one problem, temperature value. Same problem is there. Here V is small and here V is capital. So again I have to make it small. And then again upload. So if there is zero error, then and then only your program will be loaded. Otherwise it indicates error, error, error. So you have to remove all errors and then you have to go ahead. So compiling is in progress. LM35 is very useful device for temperature measurement. I had connected VCC. Here I had connected VCC ground and A0. Now done uploading. Uploading is done into this Arduino board. I have to increase the temperature and I have to observe the output. But where to observe? And for that there is serial monitor. So this is my serial monitor. So when you click on serial monitor open and it shows numbers. But I am confused. What is the temperature? So you have to slow down this process You have to slow down this process. So I will close this and I will add delay. So delay into bracket 1000. So I had added delay. Now again I will upload the program. Upload. Remember, I am not writing complete program. I am doing this step by step so that you will understand the problems occurred in the program or how you can develop any program. You have to develop the program step by step. So we had added delay. After delay, we will see the output. So uploading the program, done uploading, we will see the on monitor. So on monitor, you are getting value. So that values are too high. Okay, 60, 63, 46, 100, 67, 65. Okay, so we want this one by one. After every line you want this. So again we will add one instruction, serial print ln. ln serial print ln means print, after printing go to next line. So again I will click on this serial print ln and I will click on upload, and I will click on upload. Uploading, done uploading. So see the output, 64, 60, 61, 64, 59, 60, 61. So right now this is not the correct temperature. The correct temperature is half of this. So we had not done the calibration. LM35 gives 10 millivolt for 1 degree. But when you give 10 millivolt to Arduino, it gives 2 as output, because resolution of Arduino is 5 millivolt. So we have to divide this by 2. So I will divide it by 2. And then again I will upload the program and we will observe the output. Uploading, done uploading. So see the output, 35, 30, 31. So it is showing garbage value due to loose connections. Now it will show correct value. I had typed the sensor. So this is my temperature. Now I will increase the temperature by using lighter. So I will increase the temperature. So my temperature is increased. Now it is, lighter is removed, so temperature will reduce. Now I want temperature equal to this value. I want temperature equal to this value. So what I will do, I will write one instruction here, serial dot print into bracket. I am not using ln, temperature equal to. Now I want this temperature equal to as it is, so I have to convert this into ASCII. So this is ASCII value. When you write double inverted comma, it converts into ASCII and it appears as it is. So I will click on upload and see the effect on serial monitor. So serial monitor is stopped because your programming is done through serial monitoring. Your programming is done through serial terminals. So right now it is not sending any data. So after upload, now see there is one error. Now in C language always error is at above line. The error is semicolon. I forgot to write semicolon. So again upload. So in this we are using baud rate 9600. How to set baud rate on serial monitor? This is also important, because if your baud rate is not matched, you cannot observe the value. So done uploading and you are observing temperature equal to. See, this is the important point, how to set baud rate. So from here you can set the baud rate. As per your requirement you can set the baud rate. So I had set baud rate 9600. So temperature equal to 30. if I increase the temperature, see, I increase the temperature, so again reducing the temperature, it is continuously monitoring temperature. Now I want degree Celsius, so here I can use again same instruction. Sorry, baud rate is changed due to me. Okay, so here I can use this instruction, copy and paste. So after displaying value, it should indicate degree Celsius. Okay, now see, there is no ln, but here is ln, so it will go to next line and it will indicate degree Celsius. So this ln we have to remove and we have to put it here, and then I will upload the program. So this is temperature measurement using Arduino. In that, important point is LM35 has sensitivity 10 millivolt, Arduino has resolution 5 millivolt, and Arduino has 10-bit ADC. So see, temperature equal to 33 degrees Celsius. Suppose I want to display Cytronics internship program. So here, and I want to display only one time. So here you can write serial dot print double inverted comma, sorry, into bracket, again double inverted comma, and you can write Cytronics internship program, semicolon. So it will display only one time, and here you have to print ln, so that after that it will go to next line. So I will upload the program. So if I upload the program, at the beginning there is Cytronics internship program, and then it will start indicating value. So compiling the sketch, now uploading the sketch. After uploading, done uploading, now it will indicate Cytronics internship program, and then it will indicate temperature value. So this is temperature measurement using ADC, analog input, and we are observing it on serial monitor, so it is serial out function. So this is our today's session. So thank you very much for observing this session. Thank you very much.